Okay, everybody's up right here. Pushing those weights together. Every rep, think about squeezing these muscle fibers together, okay? And your hands are slightly towards your knees, so directly above your chest. We take the right side down. Breathe in and press it up. Squeeze together. Big breath in, blow out, squeeze tight. Make sure that looks good. Good Foxy, good Dana, good Terry. Excellent, perfect Jillian, perfect Shimply. Excellent Swati and Joe, great. Good job, babe. All right, y'all are on fire. Keep going. Whoop, whoop. Stay strong. Big breath in. Exhale, squeeze together. Big breath in and blow out strong. One more on each side. Good job, squeeze. Okay, this next one, we're going to bring both arms down. Elbows on the ground and your wrist is above your elbow. Tiny little ones right here, slow and controlled. And squeeze. Tightening, toning, building that lean muscle. Go. 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 You can do it. Don't quit. 2 more. 1 more. All the way to the top. Squeeze together. Hold. 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 Rest.